Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. In the previous video, we have discussed about the exercises of Chapter 1, Introduction to Computer. There we have completed the exercise, that is put a tick mark on the correct option, and second one fill in the blanks, and third one match the following. And today we are going to solve D, that is given here. Write T for true and F for false statements. You can see it is given over here on page number 17. Write T for true and F for false statements. Your first question is given here. A monitor is an input device. Monitor is an input device. It is false. You have to write there F. F for false. Because why it is false? Because a monitor is an output device. Here written here, a monitor is an input device. That is why it is false here. Now second one is a CD is a storage device. A CD is a storage device. Yes, it is true. It is T for true. A CD is a storage device. Now the third one, input devices help us enter data. It is also true. Input devices help us enter data in the computer. That is why it is true here. Now fourth one, question number 4. A software is the physical part of the computer. A software is the physical part of the computer. It is false here. Why it is false here? Because a software can control all over the working of the computer. So now the fifth one is scanner and joysticks. Scanner and joysticks are input devices. Yes, it is true. It is true. Scanner and joystick are input device. Now the next one is given here on the magic machine. Here go to your computer lab and do the following. First one is identify the different parts of a computer. Second one, now classify each of them into output or input devices. Now third one, name any 5 software in your computer. My dear students, we know that we cannot go to the lab, but we can identify the different parts of a computer if you have computer at your home and different part of computer at your home. Otherwise, go to the YouTube. You can solve all the questions over there. Now my dear students, in the previous video I have given you homework, that is hard word, and I have given you have to write the full form of the following. I hope you all have done your homework in your notebook. Today we are going to answer the following question. Here your first question is, what is a computer? What is a computer? My dear students, we have already studied about the computer. We know that a computer is an electronic device that can perform several work, that can perform several functions. Okay. Now the next question is, what does storing the data means? What does the storing the data means? Your answer is, storing the data means when the instruction are given to save, it is stored in its memory. It is stored in its memory. Now come to the third question, question 3. What is the function of computer? What is the function of computer? We know that, my dear students, the computer performs the several functions. Here your answer is the computer performs the several functions are, first one, takes data as input through the input device. Takes data as input through the input device. Second one, it stores the data in its memory and uses them as required. Third one, processes the data and changes it into useful information. Now, fourth one, generates the output and display it on the output device. You can also go through the page number 10. Functions of a computer is given over here. You can see about the function of computer. Now, next question is, write the name to input and output device. The two input devices are, here you can write input devices given here. First one is keyboard, second one is mouse. It is about input device, that is keyboard and mouse. And the two output devices are, first one is monitor, second one is printer. Now question 5. How many parts of computer? We know that there are two parts of computer, hardware and software. Hardware and software. Now question number 6. How many types of software? How many types of software? There are two types of software are, first one system software, second one application software. Here you can see, my dear students, we have solved the question answer which I have given you. What is computer? We know that a computer is an electronic device that can perform several functions. And second question is, what does storing the data means? We know that storing the data means when the instruction are given to save, it is stored in its memory. That is known as storing the data means. And the third question is, what is the function of computer? The computer performs the several functions are, takes data as input through the input device, stores the data in its memory and uses them as required, processes the data and changes it into useful information, it generates the output and displays it on the output device. The question 4, write the name to input and output devices. We know that two input devices are keyboard and mouse and two output devices are monitor and printer. Your fifth question is, how many parts of computer? We know that there are two parts of computer, that is hardware and software. Now question number 6, how many types of software? There are two types of software, system software and application software. Now it's time for your assignment. You can see on your screen, solve assignment is given over here. What are secondary storage devices? Name them. Those devices that store data and instructions are called secondary storage devices. These are hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive. They are secondary storage devices. Now my dear students, we have solved 6 questions. I have given you one assignment there, that is solve, and you have to write all the hard word and answer the following question in your notebook. I hope you all will do your homework at your home, and please do and learn it. Thank you so much. God bless you.